So I just bought Sony Xperia 1 here in Singapore, and I will try to open the box, unbox this one. Actually, I already opened it in the shop, so but I wanted to open it again to show you guys what is inside the box. Inside the box you will find the unit itself. This is the unit. Yes. Then this is the one. Let's see what's this is charger. What do you have? The cord. And this is dangle. I don't know how to pronounce it, because we know that Sony Xperia 1 don't have a headphone jack, so we're gonna use it the type C cord. Then this one charger, then the headset. I don't know what kind of headset do we have here. I'll check it later. So that's it. I don't know which brand, which model is it. I think it's a nice one. Okay, I'll update you once I get to try the phone. So this is the power button. We have separate power button and designated camera button. Then this is fingerprint. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, it's pretty fast. Okay, that's it.